Hello dear students, welcome to the maths video class of standard 5. Children, you might have seen many designs in sarees, kurta, bed sheets, handkerchief, etc. And do you know, children, these designs are called pattern also. So pattern means a repeated form or designs. In mathematics, pattern is a series or sequence. So children, today I am going to start chapter number 7. Can you see the pattern? Let us see the outcomes of this chapter. Learning outcomes are: student understands the rotation in half, 1/4, 3/4 part of different picture patterns and turns them. Student understands different number patterns and shape patterns and extends them. Then what are patterns? A repeated form or design. Then understands different number patterns and shape patterns and extends them. Then what are patterns? A repeated form or design, series or sequence. Now let us start the chapter. Can you see the pattern? Here in the beginning of this chapter, two girls are here. One, this is Isha and this is her friend. This girl said to Isha, "Isha, your skirt is beautiful." So Isha said, "My mother made this pattern." So Isha is talking about this pattern, green pattern here in her skirt. So her friend said, "I have seen the same block making." This is block making. A different pattern on a kurta. So Isha asked, "How was it different?" Though it is same block making, but pattern was different. So Isha asked, "How was it different?" So let us see this both pattern. Now her friend replied that here the pattern of Isha's skirt and here pattern of kurta. So children, observe this pattern and after that this pattern. Can you see the difference? So her friend here replied, "In your skirt, the rule of the pattern is one up, one down. Then this is repeated. That means rule is one up and one down. But in my brother's kurta, it is once up, then takes a 1/4 turn, this side turn. The rule is to repeat it with a 1/4 clockwise turn. Though the pattern is same, but the rule of the patterns are different. Here the rule of the pattern is one up and one down, and here the rule is to repeat it with a clockwise 1/4 turn. That means to repeat it with a 1/4 clockwise turn. Children, you also learn about 1/4 turn in chapter number 5. Does it look the same? In that chapter also you learn 1/4 turn and half a turn. So observe this picture here. This is one up, then one down, up, down. This pointed part up, then pointed part down, then tips up, then this tips down, and in this way this pattern is repeated. Children, if you observe this pattern is very easy to understand. One up, down, up, down. So I have marked with this arrow up, down, then up, down like this, and it is repeated again. So the rule is one up and one down. And here in this pattern, this once up, then takes a 1/4 turn. That means this side, right side, it takes 1/4 turn. Then again down side. Then it takes 1/4 turn in left side. And then again this pattern is repeated 1/4 clockwise turn. Clockwise turn, it's starting from right to left, moving clockwise 1/4 turn. And here also you will see the turn will be same as first turn. Then this pattern is repeated. 1 up, takes 1/4 turn right side, down, then take 1/4 turn on left side. So 1/4 clockwise turn. Now you use these two rules to make patterns with this block. Also make your own rule. So children, let us solve this question. Children, here is the solution of this question. Here I have drawn this flower facing up, then facing down, facing up, then facing down, and extend it by repeating the same order. And then here I have drawn this first flower facing up, and thereafter rotate it by 1/4 part. Children, you have also learned 1/4 part means 1/4 turn and half turn in chapter number 5. Does it look the same? That means rotating on 90 degree, 1/4 turn means. And here we are also rotated by 1/4 part each time in clockwise direction. So first draw first block facing up, thereafter rotate it by 1/4 turn right side, then rotate it 1/4 part again, so it will come down, then rotate it again by 1/4 turn, it will go left side in clockwise direction. So the rule is turning clockwise by 1/4 turn or by 90 degree each time. And here only 1 up, down, up, down, like this. You can see here this face is up, then face of this flower is right side, then down here, then left side, and again it is repeated up, then 1/4 turn right side, then down, then 1/4 turn left side, again it is repeated, and these are repeated clockwise 1/4 turn. Let's move on to the next page, page number 100, and here topic is turns and patterns. Look at this block. This block we make 3 different rules to turn it clockwise and see the pattern. So here 3 rules are given: rule 1, rule 2, rule 3. Rule 1 is repeat it with a 1/4 turn. So as we have seen in the previous question, it is once up, then takes a 1/4 turn every time. If we take 1/4 turn, so the top part will go right side. Then if we take 1/4 turn again, it will go bottom side. Then if we take 1/4 turn again, it will go left side. So once, right, down and left, and again it is repeated. Up, then right side takes a 1/4 turn clockwise. So this is repeated with a 1/4 turn clockwise rule. Now rule number 2, repeat it with a half turn. Half turn means 1 up, 1 down. So if you see here, this flower is facing up, then down, up, then down. This part up and down. So upper part goes down, then goes up, goes down, and it is repeated again. Here rule number 3 is repeat it with a 3/4 turn. So this flower takes 3/4 turn. See here, first it goes up, then it will take 3/4 turn, that means 1, 2 and 3. So this part will go left side. Here is this, then again it takes 3/4 turn, that means here 1, 2 and 3. So this part goes down. So here, and now again from here it takes 3/4 turn. So 1, 2 and here 3. So this part will move right side, and again from here it takes 3/4 turn, that means from 1, 2 and 3 it goes up. This part goes up here, and from here again it will take 3/4 turn, 1, 2, 3. So it goes left side. That means it will be repeated again from here. Now here practice time. First one is what should come next. So children, observe this pattern. This pattern, it takes 45 degree each time. So children, first I will draw here degree clock. So this is a degree clock. It has 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is 90 degree, and 90 degree divided into 2, 45 degree. This circle moves on 45 degree. So here is the first position, as you can see this line here, first position this, then second position vertical line, then this third position this line, this. So in fourth position it will look like this. Here you can see this image, and in fifth position it will look like this. So each time it moves on 45 degree. Okay. Now next question B here, N, then it becomes Z, then N. Again you can see here, if you observe, it moves on right side, then here it moves on top, then it moves on right side, then bottom side, then again left side, and then again top. This way this changes. So let's solve this question. So here is the solution of this question. Here it moves first top, then right side, this moves right side, then bottom side, then here left side, and again top side. This way it moves. Let's move on to the next page here. Question C. So children, here observe this pattern. Here see this dot. It moves top left side, then top right side, then again bottom. So first position is bottom side, then top left side, then top right. Now again where it will come? It will come bottom. Then after bottom again top left side. So let's solve this question. So children, here is the solution of question number C. As I have said here, first it is on bottom, then top left. This is top left, then top right. Now again it will come to bottom, then top left. See here, this dot came here bottom, then again it will be top left. That means the third position will be same as the first position. See this, after each third position it will be the same. Children, here is the end of this session. Do write the solution of this question in your maths fair notebook. Thank you.